pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
fancies. For this you will need 8 ounces of self-rising flour, 4 ounces of castor superfine sugar, 4 ounces of margarine or butter, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 12 drops of lemon essence. And for the icing you will need 4 tablespoonfuls of icing sugar, that's confectioner's sugar, some flavouring, some food colouring, and something for the topping, maybe kiwi fruit or cherries or walnuts or whatever you fancy. First, beat the eggs and milk. Now beat together the butter and the sugar. Beat into a cream. Now mix in the flour and the egg milk mix slowly, a little at a time. When it's well mixed, add a few drops of lemon essence. 1, 2, 3, 4. A special lemon dropper. And mix that in thoroughly. Now take your rolling pin. Wait. That doesn't sound right. Let me check the recipe. Oh no! Use a baking tin. What I should have said is put it into a well-greased baking tray. You want to even it out. All spread out. Bake for 30 minutes at gas mark 5, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 170 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. So it's supposed to be easy to cut the ends of kiwi fruit. And then insert a spoon next to the edge and run it round. This was so easy when I did it yesterday, but then I wasn't using the camera. That's not too bad. Cut thin slices. Now for the tricky part, making the icing. My 4 tablespoons of icing sugar didn't look nearly enough, so I'm going to double it. That looks a lot better. Let's add some yellow. Put it on the cake. Smooth it over with a spatula dipped in hot water. And even at double the amount of icing, it was barely enough. Now, let's decorate it. And now for the taste test. Well, there's nothing too fancy about them. They're fine. Kiwi fruit's good. Buttercream icing would have been better. That's just normal sponge cakes, really, in little squares. It appears that one of the easiest ways to peel a kiwi fruit is to cut the ends off using your sharp knife. And then put a spoon around the inside, like so. And work it round. It was easy on the other ones. The
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.